So hey all guys, welcome back to the channel ERY, and today this video is about how I made a comeback. I've already take out all the entries I took, SL and TP, everything. So let's see, put in all the data, what happened, what not happened. Okay, so from Tuesday to Thursday 31st. So in this case, what happened was, let's see. Yeah, so first off we started trading, and this is about how I made a comeback, right? So first day we did like 23.6 pips minus negative, which put it over here. That's fine. Again, it was closed. The next day we hit 3 TPs, 50 50 50 each. That's it. So which was like 126, again negative minus. So on, you can see like again for the next day minus 15. Sorry, again next trade it was 12. Again it was 199, and then 100 reached like 199, right? So 100, it was like 2 trades in that day. So for next it was like minus 23, 175. So after this thing, what happened was, let's see, minus 12, 16, 50, minus 9, minus 9 from here. Before this thing, it was all good, right? Like 147 pips and all those things. But what happened was, like after I hit like 50, this 50, right? Before this thing, everything was like fine. It was going fine. So what happened in this thing was, like I hit a loose streak. What do I mean was, like whenever I was trying to buy, market keeps on selling, and whenever I was trying to sell, market was buying. Like if you remember, it was somewhere minus 9, somewhere over here from 18th, or it was like second week if I remember correctly, say it's 15th, something like that. So what happened in that case was, many of you will, what happened is just change it, give it up, and that's it. So in this, what happened was like minus 9, minus 9, minus 12 pips. So I was like down like from 197 to 167, so almost like, let's say 30, right? 30 pips. Yeah, that's fine. We hit again a 50 TP, then again 217 it reached. We go minus 24, minus 19, minus 18, minus 18, minus 30 again. Okay, so our the pips total was like from 217 to 108. So this one was very important. Why? Because if you see it was like 200 pips. It went to like 108, right? Like this one is 108 something, yeah, 108. So it's almost half, right? Almost half, like 217 to 8, like more than half. Like it already dropped our this thing, pips, total pips we gained. So in this, what happened was, like this trade, like see 1 2 3 4 5 days lost, like 1 week, yeah. So in this case, what happened was, everyone will give it up and then just go for anything else. So everyone was saying like, oh no, this is not. Whenever I started losing like this thing, like many of the viewers will come here and then they say, no, this is not how this is not how you should take and all those stuff. So what happened after this was, I hit a 90. I was like, and everyone was like, yeah, you hit 90. That's good, right? So it was 198, right? Like after that, I again hit like minus 30, minus 24. So it was like just everyone came back. Oh no, that was just sometimes you hit, right? Like after a loose streak, you can get a win, right? So that was so because we got like minus 30, minus 24 again, like almost 60 pips out, right? So we again went back to 144. So the thing what happened was, after that, next week, if I remember correctly, 50. Again, we hold for a 90 because market was in that it can give 90. Okay. Then again 50, again 30, and again 50. So that was the equity curve in this thing. So in this thing, what happened was, we started from a negative, went till what was the high? Yeah, 217.7, came back down to 108, again little bit up 198, come back again 144. Sometimes happens, you cannot do anything. And then at the close, we did like 404 pips. Yeah, I know this week was this month was like it had like 1 week loss, and actually this one was 1 week loss, right? Before that, like again 50 and 1, 2, 3, one more, and then 2, 3, 4. So 2 weeks, I'll say it was bad. It was, see, the second week was not that good, not that great. First one was good. Second week was not that great. Third week was like bad. As you can see, like 5 days streak loss. I'm like, okay, that's fine. We can come back, okay. So in this thing, what happened? Like, okay, after this thing, when I hit like 50, 50, 90, I'm like, oh yeah, we can make it. We can make this thing happen. And then it went to like 404. So this is how your equity will look like, okay. It won't be like in a straight line. It won't be like just down. No, it's a nice equity curve, okay. So this is what you should be looking for. So this is my actually so from this teaching I can give you, like from this video, what you should be learning is, even if you hit like 5 days, like this one was like the longest, right? Yeah. So even if you hit like 5 days streak, you should believe in your data collected by yourself, and you should believe that, yeah, this is the data I've collected, and this is I've been trying for so long, and yeah, it's gonna happen. Like at some point, it's gonna be like, you have to you're gonna change it, or you can just follow, like I did. Like it's like 29, right? Like, so it is almost, I'll say 23 days, this thing, but it has like every day has like 2 to 3 trades, so more trades. Almost, I'll say it is roughly around double of that thing. So it's like 50 or 80, 90, something like number of trades, okay, something like that. I don't remember, so because I've already added it. Who cares about that thing? So how many trades I took? So it was I have already calculated everything over here. So from this thing, you only need to take is like, you shouldn't give up. You shouldn't give up now. You shouldn't give up on this thing. See, it's a nice equity curve, right? Like well, see, what happened was after this thing, right? This thing. This one was 7th, right? So it was the next week, first week, Friday, and then if I'm correct, yeah, on 7th. From 7th, this one was on 7th. This thing 7th. What happened was I started losing, because in this thing it was like, okay, past thing, this was for previous week and stuff. So I started losing, like minus 50 again, minus, like so many S's. So that was the problem. So from this, there is only one trick. You have to be disciplined. You don't have to be. You have to just be disciplined, and you should not give up on having a loose streak. Yeah, it will often come. See, in this case, we hit like 5 days loose streak, right? And then again in here 1, 2, 3, 4 days win. That's it, right? Like, it's not bad. It's not that you have to be scared of it. Land your trade and then trade your plans. That's it. That's the only thing you need to worry. And the data collected, it should be like good, right? So that was how I come back, like from the negative 23.6 to again went back to 17.7. Then again, 217.7, yeah. Then came back to 1008.7, and then again back to 404.7. This is the realistic way, realistic equity curve, right? Like, it's not a thing like, oh no, it should be on a straight line. You cannot. It is not good, because if it is that way, then it will come down in a straight line also. So that's it. So that is for the video, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. And so see you the next time. If you want to support the channel, you can open the link in the description below. You can learn from me. There's a WhatsApp you can contact, Telegram group. The link is here, over here somewhere. Link is over there. Telegram link, account, open your account. There are multiple ways. So hope you guys enjoyed. So bye.